Grade 5, All is Calm, and it's the last 2 bars to show you the octaves that you have to jump to. So we start off with both hands above. Here is middle C, the left hand is on the A flat, right hand on C and A flat. So that's for 2 counts. Then you do the spread chord where your left hand is now below middle C. So D flat, A flat, D flat, F flat, which looks like an E, A flat and D flat, and you spread them. They have to be quiet. Then we go to C and A flat. Left hand comes up either side of middle C, so A flat, E flat. Then both hands go low, where now your right hand, 5, is on middle C. The left hand is octave A flats below that. So now I'm going to do those 4 chords without talking.